Imagine an adventure motorcycle with the ferocious performance of a 3-cylinder engine, a rugged rally-style appearance, and true off-road capabilities. Now, that imagination has become a reality with the arrival of the Yamaha Ténéré 900, but not from Yamaha's official factory. In Australia, the customization shop Purposebuiltmoto has successfully created the dream enduro motorcycle based on the MT-09, filling the gap for a triple-cylinder adventure motorcycle in Yamaha's lineup. While other manufacturers like Triumph and MV Agusta have already established themselves in this segment, Yamaha has lagged behind. However, this rally raid project from the Gold Coast seems to highlight the immense potential that has long been hidden. The Rally Raid project was built by Tom Gilroy and his team using a 2019 Yamaha MT-09 as the base, complete with an 847 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine producing 115 horsepower. To enhance performance and sound, they added a custom 3-in-2 exhaust system from Yoshimura, producing the distinctive roar of a triple-cylinder engine. These modifications not only strengthen the engine's character but also transform the MT-09 into a true adventure motorcycle ready to tackle rugged terrain. The front suspension is sourced from the KTM 1190 Super Adventure and combined with a custom rear suspension from Racing Tuned, giving the motorcycle ground clearance and suspension travel akin to a professional enduro bike. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel are wrapped in rugged off-road tires, while the rally-style fairing and handcrafted aluminum body give it a true Tenere-inspired look. Components like the handlebars, foot pegs, and LED headlights are also customized to support its adventure-oriented character. Weighing around 200 kilograms with a 14-liter fuel tank, the Purposebuiltmoto version of the Ténéré 900 is nearly on par with the Ténéré 700 but with significantly more power and a far more aggressive character. This motorcycle is not only suitable for heavy off-road use, but can also be converted into a supermoto with 17-inch wheels. Although not an official Yamaha product, the presence of the Ténéré 900 demonstrates the immense potential of Yamaha's triple-cylinder engine for development as a future adventure motorcycle.